Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy, and today I'm going to be filming a video on one of my favorite hair oils, and that is almond oil. I actually have it in my hair right now. This is one of my favorite hair oils. If you have dry hair, meaning like your ends are dry or you have a dry scalp, any type of like dryness and you're looking for like shiny, lustrous hair, I highly recommend trying almond oil as a hair mask. So I actually do a hair mask every week. Every time when I like wash my hair, I actually love to do a hair mask right before. I think it's just really important to do hair masks in general. Actually, when I was in college, I had a really busy schedule and I would just always just wash my hair in unexpected times. Like I just never like planned it. I noticed that throughout those years, like I wasn't doing hair masks as often, so my hair was really like dry and dull, and I'll actually like, share some embarrassing pictures here, but oh my god, but my hair was really dry, and I noticed such a big difference when I started adding hair oils and hair masks to my routine. So if you have like dry hair, just adding a hair mask to your routine like once a week or twice a week, every time you wash your hair, just do a hair mask like right before. You're gonna see such a difference to your hair, and you're gonna wash your hair anyways, so you might as well just do a mask right before. I highly recommend doing that. So I typically do this hair mask and leave it on my hair overnight. But if I don't do that and I put this on during the day, I'll leave it on my hair for a couple hours. I'll work out, I'll do some phone calls, I'll do some work, and I'll just leave this in my hair. I love actually working out and having a hair mask or hair oil on my hair. If you're working out at home, like this is so great because your body overall just heats up when you're working out, so that actually really helps in like having the oils and your body heat and everything. It actually penetrates better, so I love doing that. So I am actually getting ready to hop in the shower and wash this off, but I wanted to hop on here and share with you guys why I love almond oil so much. I do have a video of mustard oil and the hair benefits of that as well, so I highly recommend checking that video out as well. In terms of almond oil, I love this stuff. It has so much vitamin E on here, and vitamin E is so good for your hair. It is a really strong and powerful antioxidant that actually helps protect your hair from like any environmental stressors, so pollution or anything like that. Environmental stressors can actually cause so much harm to your hair. Like it can make your hair look really dull, dry, and even cause breakage. So I love almond oil because it has vitamin E in here, but it also has vitamin B, vitamin A, vitamin D, and of course vitamin E. It has zinc and magnesium and healthy omega fatty acids as well. So I really love this for my hair. So I actually use this one. I absolutely love this. This is the one that we have in my house, and everyone in my family actually uses this. It has 300% vitamin E on here, which I love. But it says almond oil nourishes and strengthens your hair. You can get stronger hair from root to tip, and it is, of course, it helps stimulate hair follicles. So this is the one I use, and I'll link it down below. I wanted to talk to you guys about my favorite vitamins. Well, of course, the vitamin E, because of the environmental stressors that can cause so much harm to your hair. It helps protect your hair. But vitamin E can also nourish and make your hair very shiny. It's like a very deep conditioning oil, I feel. Another added benefit on here is biotin. There is so many great benefits in incorporating biotin in your diet for healthy hair and promote healthy hair growth. A lot of people actually take supplemental vitamins with biotin in it, and I actually do that as well. But there's also a great benefit in putting this on your hair as well. So I really love the fact that it has biotin in it, but again, it also has healthy fatty omega acids that really do help promote healthy hair as well. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I put this in my hair. So I'll just get like a lot of it, and it's like, yeah, pretty much a lot, like a whole tablespoon amount, and I'll heat it up in my hand. A lot of people also, like if you don't have time to leave this in your hair overnight or for a very long time. You can also heat up your almond oil and put it in the microwave for 30 seconds and then put it in your hair and leave it in your hair for at least 30 minutes. You can do that as well, but I leave it in my hair like overnight, so I don't really have to do that, but you can do that as well. And I can do that as well too, to add extra, like added more conditioning mask to it. But I typically just do this and I massage it in my hair in a very circular motion, and I'll massage it in my hair for at least like 3 or 4 minutes, and I'm like just watching TV while I massage my hair. And honestly, this feels so amazing, especially if you like have your hair in a hair tie all day. Just massaging your hair does such great things for your hair as well, because it helps promote hair growth by stimulating your scalp and just bringing blood circulation to your scalp that will help promote hair growth. So I really love doing this, and I make sure I massage everywhere, like even down here, up here, and then when I feel like I didn't get a spot, like I feel like I didn't do that much in the back, I'll do this in the back as well. So right here. And I make sure that I massage in very circular motions. But again, I'll do this for a while, so I already had some on before making this video, but yeah, I'll do that. And then I make sure that I put it on my ends as well. And you just want to get like a good amount, like equal amount. That's how much I put. And it's a very floral and nutty scent to it. It doesn't bother me as much, but if it does bother you, like, I guess you're doing this while you're at home. I've actually like done a hair mask and then I had to go to Trader Joe's before they closed one time, and I actually went to Trader Joe's with a hair mask. Like, I had no shame, but I had to get my groceries and I had a hair mask. Like, I'm sorry. But yeah, I'll typically do this, and I just very gently just like massage this in my ends. A lot of people will put a hair mask or hair oil and then like they'll do that friction thing. I hate when people do that because that's just causing damage. So I kind of just gently do this, and I'll leave this on my hair again for a couple hours. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and then I'll hop in the shower and shampoo my hair. I've actually been using this tool to help with shampooing my hair masks out of my hair. This is a really neat tool. It looks like it'd be hard and rough, but it's not. It's like rubbery and super soft. And especially when I have a hair mask like this on my hair and I want to shampoo it out, using this makes such a difference to your hair. And it's actually really like gentle, and it's really soft, and it helps with circular motions, just washing it off with a shampoo. I feel like there's so many added benefits to that as well, because it helps stimulate, get the blood circulation going, and it's just overall really good for your hair as well. So I've been using this, and I bought this on Amazon. I'll link it down below. I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower. I'm gonna wash this off, condition my hair, and then I'm gonna blow out my hair. I did wanna add something as well. I did talk about a little bit about the antioxidants in vitamin E and how it helps with environmental stressors. So include just the same as like how environmental stressors can harm your hair, the sun can also harm your hair. We all know that the sun can cause so much damage to our skin, but it can also damage our hair as well. So I've been actually spraying this on my hair when I get out of the shower before I blow dry my hair, and then just throughout the week I'll just spray this on my hair. It really helps my hair look really like shiny and condition my hair throughout the week as well. But so I highly recommend this, and I just want to add this to the video as well. Go ahead and wash my hair, and then I will blow dry my hair and show you guys how it looks. Hey guys, so I just wanted to hop on here and show you guys how my hair looks. This is pretty much how it looks. It looks so healthy, so shiny. I pretty much just blow dried it and then curl the ends a little bit, and I just used that UV protectant spray from Bumble on it. And yeah, that's pretty much how my hair looks right after. Again, I really love doing this mask at least once a week. I highly recommend you guys giving it a try. Please let me know if you do, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and have a wonderful day. Take care.